my garden. You're not going to see much right now because I haven't planted anything. See a lot of dirt. Soon there'll be tall sunflowers coming up from the fence. Pumpkins, giant pumpkins. A little bit of scenery. Did I say I was excited? Sunny stood right here last year, 12 feet tall. I think it was 12 feet. That's big. What do you say we get started? It's Wednesday, July 11th, and my second official flower has opened up fully. Beautiful sign of things to come. This is why I love these flowers so much. This is gardening with LARÉ. Beautiful morning again. It's going to be another hot day. We've had a very, very warm summer. Hot, just the way I like it. I'm going to have to figure out a way to measure this tall plant today. It's getting hard to get back there because of all the growth, and I got to stand up on something to get the tape up, so we'll figure it out. I'm going to attempt to climb the beanstalk with my little step stool, and we'll measure today. Get a measurement on this guy, my official tape measure. Feet of measuring tape. Yeah, this is going to be difficult because it's so tall. I think it's looking about 92 inches. At least 92. That's 5 inches in the last 2 days. It's been going 6 inches every 2 days. That's pretty good. That's 7 feet 8 inches. No, it went 8 inches, excuse me, the last 2 days. 16, 21 inches in 6 days. Let's go measure the sunny side plant. 65 inches 2 days ago. I'm calling this sunny number 2 for reference sake. Okay, here, 2 days ago, 65 inches. You can definitely see it's grown. Okay, 2 days ago right here, 65. He's taller than me, man. Look at that. I'm gonna say 71 inches on Sunny number 2. Sunny the second, that's official, Sunny the second. 71 inches. 6 inches in 2 days. That's rapid growth. That's wonderful. So I'm excited. 71 inches today. He's on a growth spurt. That's 5 feet 11 inches. I'm 5'10". This is another one of my tall plants. 67.5 inches. This is my east side plant. I call it my east side. It's on the east side of the garden. He's really been growing too, so I think he was 48 inches 2 days ago, somewhere in there. We'll have to check, but let's measure him today. He's really strong, got a strong stem. Man. I'm gonna say 57 inches. 57 inches at the top of that leaf. Right on. Another thing I really like about the east side plant, he's got these nice looking sunny leaves. Sunny had beautiful leaves last year, and this plant is from the same crop. Millie is being quiet. How you doing? Say hi to the camera. Say hi, Millie. Millie, say hi. Say hi. I am so proud of this flower. Can you tell? Bye.